So for today, I'm going to draw a pink gardenia. So I prep my canvas into kind of bluish white background, and this is where I'm going to plot my hydrangea. So I just kind of make a little circle, and then this will be my base of where I'm going to have my flower here. So you just make a circle. I'm going to use this 3 different colors, and this is the paint brush that I'm using. So this is easy because when you start forming the petals, it already give you the corner side to form those petals. So I have the lighter pink, the hot pink, and the white for the color that I'm using today. And this is, I've already used this red, this the background for the gardenia. So I'm going to cover this brush with the hot pink first, and then I'm going to start to create them. And I'll keep doing that around this area where it really shows that red. I just, and I keep moving around. And I will keep repeating the process and just continuously do that circle. Again, you just continue that, and I know with the gardenia, they have that 5 petals, so it's very easy. You just, count them and kind of make it overlap so they look kind of bulkish. Okay, and you just continue that, just go around it, and you can add more as you go. You can control it. You can see where do you want your positioning of your flower, and again, just keep it going because you're gonna put the you're gonna make sure that they are all covered. Okay, and don't be afraid with the colors because don't let the colors intimidate you. If you make a mistake, it's fine. I also use a little bit of white just to give some little variation on your color. It's always good to have that kind of a effect. So just, and when you're done because everything is covered, everything, you see it the way you really want it, so when everything is just the way you wanted it. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep going and going around. And don't be afraid if you make a mistake, it's okay. And that's the beauty of arts because you can make mistake, and it's just fine. You can fix the color later on if you make mistake. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna continue this and keep going. So I like the combination, like I really enjoy combining different colors, and sometimes it's beautiful to see it when they come and come to reality that you've seen them already in print, and kind of give you a happy feelings. That's why I like painting, because it really relaxes me. It relaxes my mind and my spirit, and it's just a way for me to really unwind. So I will do this all together with these three, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them all together, connect the stem for each of this flower, and then I kind of redo it if I needed to and improve it more. And yeah, so then with this, I'm going to do it the same way with those other two. So this is pretty much how it look now. So yeah, it's getting there. And even with leaves, you want to put a little variation also in the leaves so it comes to its color. Don't just settle that it's just all green. You want to, you know, make it a little bit look differently. Colors really is what make your painting. I'm not more of an abstract type of painter. I like detail. So I hope you enjoy this. I will take a picture of the entire painting, and there we go. Enjoy. So this is how it looked like right now. So I decided that I will just put it in on the ground, and this is how it looked.